Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? I'm your host, Jazz. Welcome back to another episode of Newbie Coop Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And today we're going to do some fun stuff on the old Weber grill here. And we're going to cook up something real quick. Not going to be a long video today. I don't plan on making this too complicated. Also, it seems like everybody's mowing the yard today. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, we're going to make up a quick cheesesteak, I guess, cheesesteak sandwich. I got this cool meat here. Let's see if we can go in here and I'll show you this meat if it's not too dark. Alright, here we go. Check this out. This is a beef shaved steak. We're going to put this in a cast iron skillet and throw it on the grill. And we're going to cook up our meat. We're going to cook up some onions, cook up some peppers, and hopefully have us a really good meal tonight. Alright guys, we got us a green pepper and a nice red onion. And got some smoked provolone cheese slices, and we're going to get this all cut up and get this on the grill. Alright, so while we're waiting, we're going to take these buns over here. Hold on, put the camera down. Alright, I'm going to throw these buns on here. I just want to toast them up just a tad. And that way, once all these onions and stuff get all nice and soft, we may have to mix it in with this meat here too. I think that's what we're going to end up doing. And when they get nice and soft. Whoop. Drop a little piece. Alright, pull this off. Now, see, I don't know if you can see it now. I try to get some shadow in here. But anyway, doesn't that look good? Doesn't that look delicious? Oh man, that looks good. Alright guys, I'm going to dip this out into these bowls here and then we're going to build us a sandwich. Alright guys, I got quite the operation set up here. Just to avoid the sun, I've pulled my grill in just a little bit, and now I've turned everything because I want to be able to get to the cool side of my grill, the side that doesn't have my charcoal on it, because this next part's going to be a little bit crucial for that. Also, I'm going to build my sandwich here, and then I'm going to put it back on the grill because I want to be able to melt the cheese, and then we'll take it back off. I'll snap a few photos, show you guys, take a bite, all that kind of stuff. But first, we got to get the buns off. Alright guys, I know what the comments are going to say. They're probably going to chew me for using basic hamburger buns for a cheesesteak sandwich. But this is just for my family, guys. This is just for us to eat tonight. Nothing special. I'm not going to go get a bun, especially, you know, a sub bun for making this. This is just for us tonight. But anyway, let me get these things made up real quick, and then we'll put them on the grill to melt the cheese. Oh my God, guys. I'm out here sweating, trying to get this cooked, and let me tell you, I just realized that I didn't even have my microphone plugged in. I had it on, didn't even have it plugged in. So I apologize for all the crappy audio you just got. Just saying. Alright guys, I got them built, got the cheese on it, now we're going to melt this cheese. Alright, for that we're going to take this off. Take that off for a second. I'll take this. Set it right there. Take this one. Set it right there. We're going to put the lid back on for just a minute. I know people say don't grill in your garage. It's like a bad idea, but you know, I got doors open. Everything's fine. It's just literally right at the edge of my door here. So anyway, let's get these off. All right, ready for the big reveal? Dun dun dun! Look at that. Let's just pull them off. Whew. Try not to burn my fingers. All right, guys, tell me what you think. Look at that. Doesn't that just look juicy? All that cheese melted on there and all that steak, and there's your green pepper on there. All right, guys, we'll get a couple pictures of these real quick, and then we'll take a bite. All right, guys, check it out. Here we go. This is my little homemade cheesesteak sandwich thing, whatever. Holy cow. Tastes like a good cheesesteak to me. Pretty tasty.